Okay, so guys, ganyan talaga kapag ka nagta-travel tayo, no? May mga unexpected na mangyayari. The first unexpected thing that happened today is tanggal yung gulong ng stroller. Ayan, no? Sabi ko pa naman, itong stroller yung gagamitin namin kasi mas malaki. This is the first ever travel as a family. Nice! Are you excited, Teo Max? Gusto mo kay Daddy? Nasaan tayo? Excited yan? Excited yan? Excited yan? What it's like traveling with a baby. It's super... 7 kilos lang yun, disclaimer. Saka to 7 kilos lang. This is the wallet essentials. And you have the stroller. It's free check-in, you know, if you have a baby. So, ang daming dala. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a bit. And we will be heading to Taiwan. Let's go! So we are on our way to Taipei. Teo, sleep ka? Dito muna, mahababang hintayan pa because our flight is at 6:45. It's just 3 o'clock. At Jeshi with the New Pangyao.
Sa ilalim nitong jacket na green.
Sige, 6:30 na ngayon guys and kami paalis na for our first ever travel.
As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seat.
Thank you. Make it goal in life to learn Mandarin. 大家好，你好，你好。
Nasa Taiwan! Tulog ka?
Wow, nakatulog siya. Dito na tayo sa Taiwan. This. Alright, so anong dito? 1 week happy family kami ngayon. This is Gwen. Just she need the new Pangyao. This is your girlfriend. Naga with the Didi. Naga with the Gigi. This is my little sister. This is my big brother. We're back and we're here. Okay, so guys, ganyan talaga kapag ka nagta-travel tayo. May mga unexpected na mangyayari. The first unexpected thing that happened today is tanggal yung gulong ng stroller. Ayan, oh. Sabi ko pa naman, itong stroller yung gagamitin namin kasi mas malaki. Teo, gusto na lumabas, babe, oh. Teo, gusto na lumabas. Gusto kasi ni Mateo kapag malamig and ngayon na-enjoy niya. It's currently 14 degrees, a little bit rainy but not that much. Gusto niya yung Alam ba? Alright, so kakain na kami. Panalo tong order namin, malaki na. Isang serving lang pero good for two. The best. Sorry. Ito tayo. I'm here with my sister today and she's the very stubborn sister.
Huh?
So we're gonna get our our
stubborn?
EC cards. They're so rowdy.
Really?
Ever since we were kids, she's already rowdy. Pero that's what makes psychedelic unique, that's the name.
Really?
Ano ba sabi mo nag-travel tayo?
Really?
Baka umiyak ka, si Papa lang wala dito. Do you get sentimental?
What should I do that time? That time?
Thank you for for the I will make it up
Ang masama sa pag-save, no?
Oo.
Tapos,
However.
dadating yung panahon na matanda ka na.
Oh.
Marami ka nang sabi ko. Sana pala nabuhay ako sa present moment kasi yung ano meron.
Yes. Makikita niyo po mga kaibigan, ang daming mga tao ngayon. At kami ni Mateo Daniel ay nandito. Alam mo sa dami nating lakad, nabutas na ata yung medyas siguro.
What?
Ayan, nandiyan na tayo. Alright, so guys, this is the express train from Taoyuan International Airport going to Taipei Main Station. Okay, so nandito kami ngayon sa express train from airport going to Taipei Main Station. Dito may elevator sa gilid, oh. Walking tour lang. Diba? Para at least kunyari kasama ka. Alright, so guys, dito na kami ngayon sa Ximending. Ako ngayon maghahanap ng way namin dito papunta sa Airbnb namin. So dito kami sa sentro ng Ximending na magsistay. Malapit na. Ay, pre, ikaw videographer natin. Golding hands pa daw. Golding hands pala kasi hindi talaga makapag-view. Medyo challenging right now kasi medyo maambon-ambon, ano. But it's currently 17 degrees. Mao, hello. Hello, China yung kanta mo. Right. So malapit na kami sa Airbnb namin. What an adventure. Ayan, ang Amba. Tapos ito, World Gym.
Yan. Ito yung hard.
Opo. It is our first day today here in Taiwan. Medyo maulan, paggabi na. Punta kami ngayon sa Ximending para mag-food trip. And then tomorrow, Taipei 101. Ay, bukas pala, Taipei 0.
Give me your hand, hold me. Show me what love is. Be my guiding star. It's easy.